Welcome to the Explainer. Look, if you're already trading Forex, you know exactly what's at stake here. But you'd be surprised how many seasoned traders are literally leaving money on the table just because they're stuck on the wrong platform. So today, we're going to break down the ultimate step-by-step roadmap for auditing your current broker and finding the absolute best exchange to match your specific trading edge. Let's dive right in.
Trillions of dollars every single day. We all know the Forex market is the largest liquidity pool on Earth, right? But here's the thing. To actually tap into that massive daily volume without getting burned by slippage or hidden fees, your gateway, well, it has to be absolutely bulletproof. Let's figure out how to find that perfect gateway.
Here's our roadmap for today. First, the giant Forex market. Second, 5 steps to choose. Third, comparing top Forex brokers. Fourth, trading on the go. And finally, beginner versus pro needs. Okay, let's get going.
Section 1. The giant Forex market. Understanding the basics.
Now, we certainly don't need to review what Forex trading is. We already know it's an absolute behemoth of buying and selling currencies to profit off exchange rates. But navigating it? That requires a highly tuned vehicle. Your platform is literally your only connection to that global liquidity. It absolutely has to guarantee secure access, razor-thin spreads, institutional-grade execution speeds, and elite analytical tools. I mean, without those, you're basically driving a golf cart on the Autobahn. It's not going to end well.
Moving on to Section 2. 5 steps to choose the evaluation playbook. So here is your definitive, actionable checklist for vetting an exchange. Step 1. Check regulation and security. Listen, unregulated just means unprotected, period. Don't risk it. Step 2. Evaluate trading costs. We're talking spreads, commissions, and those overnight swap fees that quietly eat into your alpha. Step 3. Review trading platforms for stability and speed. Step 4. Test with a demo account. Honestly, even the pros use demos to stress test new algorithmic strategies without risking their own capital. And finally, Step 5. Compare currency pairs to make sure you actually have access to the specific majors, crosses, or exotics you plan to trade.
But you know, we really have to look deeper into the operational features here. Platform technology must be lightning fast and stable, with solid charting tools. Did you know a single 1 millisecond delay in execution can cost institutional traders millions of dollars? Literally millions. That's exactly why liquidity and execution are paramount. You need deep pools and accurate pricing to avoid slippage. And hey, never overlook the logistics. Deposit and withdrawal options, like bank transfers or digital wallets, they have to be totally seamless. I mean, what good is making a profit if you can't access your cash quickly? Plus, always check for educational resources like webinars and guides. And finally, customer support. When your capital's on the line, you absolutely want 24/5 or 24/7 assistance ready to help resolve technical issues instantly.
All right, Section 3. Comparing top Forex brokers, the heavyweights.
Let's see how these specs play out in the real world by looking at 4 major heavyweights. We're going to focus strictly on their reported demo environments here. Notice how XTB offers a massive $100,000 in virtual capital on their custom XStation 5 platform, complete with an unlimited reset option. Pretty nice, right? Then Fusion Markets gives you anywhere from $10,000 to $100,000 on the industry-standard MT4 and MT5 platforms. And yes, they offer a reset option too. Admiral Markets sits at $10,000 on the MetaTrader suite, also with the reset. And Exness, they provide $10,000 across MT4, MT5, and WebTrader, also featuring that unlimited reset. The contrast here really shows exactly how different platforms structure their environments depending on your specific strategy.
Next up, Section 4. Trading on the go. Mobile app features.
Now, mobile apps aren't just an afterthought anymore, are they? For a lot of traders, they are the main terminal. Just take AvaTrade, for example. They integrate over 50 Forex pairs, a live economic calendar, and their proprietary AvaProtect risk management tool right into your pocket. Then you have Fusion Markets really stepping up the firepower, with over 50 technical indicators, ultra-low latency execution, and completely seamless synchronization with your desktop MetaTrader accounts. Honestly, the ability to manage complex multi-asset portfolios straight from a smartphone is just staggering.
And the mobile innovation doesn't stop there. Admiral Markets brings the heavy-duty MetaTrader 5 experience to mobile, boasting 21 different timeframes, 21, and 6 types of pending orders for incredibly deep technical analysis while you're on the go. Meanwhile, the Exness app is actually utilizing AI-powered insights to provide personalized risk warnings based on your own trading patterns. Plus, it features a really cool one-tap switch to navigate over 3,000 global markets. The sheer technological power packed into these interfaces today is just phenomenal.
All right, our final section, Section 5, Beginner versus Pro Needs, the personal fit.
At the end of the day, your ideal exchange completely depends on your own tactical needs. If you're maybe a bit newer to the more advanced strategies, you really need a safe sandbox. A simpler user interface, robust demo accounts, low minimum deposits, and some solid educational content. But for the seasoned pros out there, those exact same features can feel incredibly restrictive. A pro demands advanced order types, high leverage options, deep liquidity pools for massive block trades, and highly professional analytical tools. Basically, what protects a novice will completely suffocate a professional. It's really all about finding your specific fit.
So, the ultimate takeaway from this explainer is this. Look beyond the flashy marketing claims. You really have to read the user reviews and seek out expert analysis to understand the real day-to-day performance of an exchange before you even think about committing your funds. Things like hidden fees, sudden widening of spreads, or just poor execution speeds, they can violently damage your trading results. So, ignore the fluff and really dig into the reality of the platform's performance.
So I'll leave you with this. Which platform actually aligns with your trading goals and risk tolerance? That is the defining question here. Assess your strategy, use the playbook we just went through today, and go find your edge. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.